From CBS News Bay Area, this is the Afternoon Edition.
Well, breaking news on the Afternoon Edition, a pair of decisions setting back students and the LGBTQ plus community. Good afternoon, I'm Ryan Yamamoto. The High Court closed its term ruling the Biden administration's student loan forgiveness program is unconstitutional. The conservative majority also dealing a blow to the LGBTQ plus protections. Natalie Brand following all the breaking details from the U.S. Supreme Court. Natalie.
Hi, Ryan, Liz, and we are expected to hear from President Biden later this hour to detail his next steps in light of the blow dealt to his student loan forgiveness plan. The 6 conservative justices on the court saying the administration went too far in using a federal law regarding national emergencies to try and erase nearly $500 billion in debt.
I am disappointed, to say the least, in the Supreme Court's ruling.
Protesters gathered at the Supreme Court Friday, rallying against the justices' opinion on President Biden's student debt relief program. The High Court threw out the plan to forgive up to $20,000 in student loans for millions of Americans.
Student debt cancellation is legal and it is just, no matter what the Supreme Court says.
The case was brought by Republican attorneys general who argued the plan exceeded the president's authority. The administration had argued it had the power to act during national emergencies such as the coronavirus pandemic.
The court said today in a 6-3 decision by the chief, no, this is a big program. You need specific authorization from Congress.
The Supreme Court also weighed in on a case that pitted gay rights against a Colorado web designer's claims of free speech and religious beliefs.
The justices ruled 6-3 in favor of Lori Smith, who sued over a state law saying making wedding websites for same-sex marriages conflicts with her religious beliefs and Colorado's law violates her right to free speech.
There are some messages I can't create no matter who requests them.
Writing for the court, Justice Gorsuch cites First Amendment protection, saying Colorado seeks to force an individual to speak in ways that align with its views but defy her conscience about a matter of major significance. In her dissent, Justice Sonia Sotomayor wrote, for the first time in its history, the court grants a business open to the public a constitutional right to refuse to serve members of a protected class.
And back to what's expected later this hour, we are expecting to hear from President Biden. He said in a statement the fight isn't over, and he promised to detail his next steps, possible new executive action or other legal avenues that he could pursue on student loan relief. Ryan.
And Natalie, LGBTQ advocates worry the court's ruling in the web designer's case paves the way for even larger rollbacks of rights. So does the wording in this ruling amplify that concern?
Well, that's what the dissent discusses, that this could be a slippery slope, and critics of this in fact, open the door to discrimination against other groups based on race or religion. The Colorado AG, who was defending this case, said today's sweeping decision threatens to destabilize the marketplace and encourage all kinds of businesses to claim a First Amendment free speech right to refuse certain kinds of services. So we'll have to wait and see, Ryan, what the next steps, what the implications of this really are.
All right, Natalie, thank you very much. Well, we got reaction to the decision from the director of the financial aid at Cal State East Bay, who says this student debt ruling is devastating.
I'm a little bit frustrated of the decision in the Supreme Court because the government as a whole has been continuing to create barriers between my office and the students. You know, we are here to try to make sure that these students succeed. And unfortunately, we are dependent on resources that the federal government and the state departments provide to us. And so this is just a horrible news for higher education this week.
And looking live to the White House, President Biden said to give his remarks on the student loan decision this afternoon. We'll have coverage of that right here on CBS News Bay Area.